Hello, everyone. This is Tanya from LinguaCom, and today I would like to share how you can turn your classroom discussions into um, multiple choice quizzes or even a reading comprehension paper with multiple choice questions. So, just for the example, I chose a voice note that I've already recorded on Voice Notes platform. What I did was I clicked on a recording button and I spoke about internet access study that I read about on a different website. So I've already recorded this voice note. Voice Notes has already transcribed my recording into a text. So what I want to do now, I want to create a questions for my students. Um, and here is how you can do it. There's another button at the bottom of the page near the recording button. It says create. So I click here and I do not click on any of the options that it suggests me, like summary, to do list, email, etc. What I do is I click on this custom instructions button and um, um, a window opens where I can type whatever instruction I want to create. So my instruction would be create a multiple choice quiz based on the note. Create a multiple choice quiz based on the note. Okay, so now my instructions are, my instruction is ready, and now I just have to choose the note that I would like it to analyze. And as I said, I've already recorded it. It's called Internet Access Study. So I'm clicking here and I click create. Now it's going to take a few moments until the multiple choice quiz is ready. Let's see. And ta-da, here it is. Here's the quiz based on the note that I have created. So what I can do now is I can actually copy the quiz and paste it to to a blank Word document. Okay, here it is. Now I can format the quiz and make it look beautiful and create a handout for my students based on the discussion that we had in class about internet access. So just as an example, I would like to read the first couple of questions and the options for the answer. What is the main topic of the study mentioned in the story? A, the effects of social media on mental health. B, the impact of internet access on our health, which is the right answer. C, the relationship between smartphones and education. And D, the benefits of walking in nature. Okay, so this is a very nice quiz, a very nice question. And the correct answer is B, based on what I have recorded earlier. Now let's look at question number 2. Who conducted the research mentioned in the story? A, the Cambridge Internet Institute. B, the Oxford Internet Institute. C, the Harvard School of Public Health. And D, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Well, this question is very specific. I'm not sure if I want to take it, but it's a question of recognizing certain information in the text. So if it's if I decide that it's important to me, I'll leave it, and if not, I'll delete it. So this is how I do it. And then I format the questions. Of course, I can change the size of the font, etc., etc., and my handout will be ready. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. You're welcome to share this with your fellow teachers. Enjoy teaching. Subscribe to our channel, and you're welcome to always leave comments if you want to ask me a question. See you in the next video.